This is the instructional video for what will my weight be on different planets and the moon. So depending what class you are in, it's going to be in one of two spots. But everyone is going to go to Unified Classroom, to their class pages, and then click on Gravity. What's up with that? Okay. Some of you will have your assignment, what will I weigh on different planets and the moon, right here in this main page. And some will have it in independent learning activities. Okay. Have it in independent learning activities, it will be the first one. After you make a handout and click the pencil, this is what you will see. Make sure we're starting at the top. Before we start, do you think that we would weigh differently on the moon or a different planet? Yes or no? And why? The next section is our data collection, where we're using the following chart to calculate how much we'll weigh on other planets and the moon. We have our formula given to us. Mass on Earth times gravity equals our calculated weight. So all you need to do for the mass on Earth in pounds is either step on your bathroom scale or give a guess and type it in. Right? So let's say we're doing the moon first. So let's say I weigh 100 pounds on Earth. So what I'm going to do is take 100 and then multiply it by the gravity. So the gravity on the moon is 0.17 times that of Earth's. So we would take 100, multiply it by 0.17, and then we would get our calculated weight. So you can use your calculator on the computer or the phone, or if you have an actual calculator. And you're going to do that for all of the planets here. Then we have some questions. Number 1, on which planet on our solar system would you be the heaviest? And number 2, on which would you be the lightest? So you're just summarizing your results really quick there. Then we have our reflection. Why are you heaviest on that planet and lightest on the planet that you identified as the one you were lightest on? So we're going a little bit further, identifying what the planet was and then explaining why. And then our last section here, we have a word bank if you need it. It goes through some of the basic concepts we've been talking about as a reinforcement. The more blank a planet has, the more blank it has. Planets with a larger blank than Earth have more blank. And lastly, planets with a smaller blank than Earth have less blank than Earth. So after you have completed this worksheet, you're going to want to submit it.